Paris, London. Just saying the names conjures up images, doesn't it? The Eiffel Tower, a beacon of iron lace against the sky. Big Ben, its clock face a comforting presence in the bustling city. These two cities are more than just capitals. They're icons. Each city whispers stories of history, art, and culture. But which one, if you had to choose, would steal your heart? Paris, with its boulevards and Haussmann-era buildings, is a study in elegant uniformity. Creamy stone facades, wrought iron balconies, and mansard roofs create a sense of timeless beauty. Then there's London. It's a jumble of architectural styles. Medieval churches nestle beside modern skyscrapers. Victorian pubs stand opposite sleek office blocks. This eclectic mix is what gives London its unique charm. Paris whispers romance. London shouts history. One embraces grandeur, the other a charming quirkiness. Paris is an art lover's dream. The city is a living, breathing canvas where every street corner tells a story. From the grand boulevards to the quaint alleyways, art is everywhere. The Louvre, with the Mona Lisa's enigmatic smile, is just the beginning. This iconic museum houses thousands of works, each with its own tale to tell. From ancient sculptures to Renaissance masterpieces, it's a treasure trove of human creativity. The Musée d'Orsay, home to Impressionist masterpieces, offers a different flavor of artistic brilliance. Housed in a former railway station, it showcases the works of Monet, Van Gogh, and Degas, capturing the essence of light and movement. Every corner seems to breathe art and history. In Montmartre, street artists capture the spirit of the city, while historic buildings whisper tales of the past. London, though, is a cultural melting pot. The city's rich tapestry is woven from countless cultures and traditions, making it a vibrant and dynamic place. Its theaters stage everything from Shakespeare to cutting-edge musicals. The West End is a hub of theatrical innovation, where classic plays and modern productions coexist. Its music scene is as diverse as its population, with venues hosting global superstars and local bands. From grand concert halls to intimate clubs, music pulses through the veins of the city. Paris offers a feast for the eyes. Its beauty is timeless and enchanting. The city's landmarks, from the Eiffel Tower to the Seine River, create a picturesque backdrop for everyday life. London, a symphony for the senses. The city's energy is palpable, with bustling markets, street performers, and a constant hum of activity. Whether you prefer classical beauty or vibrant diversity, both cities deliver. Paris and London, each with its unique charm, offer endless opportunities for cultural exploration and artistic discovery. Paris, the city of lights, love, and unparalleled culinary delights. The smell of freshly baked bread wafting from a boulangerie is simply irresistible. Imagine the warmth of the oven, the golden crust, and the soft, fluffy interior. The taste of buttery croissants melting in your mouth, paired with a rich, aromatic coffee, is a morning ritual that Parisians cherish. French cuisine is renowned for its sophistication and richness. From delicate pastries to hearty stews, every dish is a masterpiece of flavor and presentation. London, on the other hand, is a street food paradise. Indian curries, bursting with spices and flavors, are a staple at the bustling markets. Aromatic noodles, sizzling and savory, and salt beef bagels, packed with tender meat, offer a taste of the city's diverse culinary scene. The choices are endless, and each bite tells a story. Don't forget the traditional pubs, where history and hospitality come together. Here, you can enjoy a pint of locally brewed ale and a hearty pie filled with rich, savory goodness. It's a quintessential British experience. Paris offers a refined dining experience, elegant settings, impeccable service, and dishes that are as beautiful as they are delicious. London, a global culinary adventure, where every corner offers a new taste sensation. From traditional British fare to international cuisines, the city's food scene is a melting pot of flavors. Which tickles your fancy? Section 5. Working hard or hardly working. Both Paris and London are major economic hubs. Paris is a global center for fashion, luxury goods, and finance. London, with its financial district, is a powerhouse in banking and insurance. Both cities attract talent from all over the world. London might have a slight edge in tech, with its burgeoning startup scene. Both cities offer a chance to climb the career ladder. The choice depends on your field and ambitions. Section 6. The price of charm. Let's face it, neither city is cheap. Parisian rents can be eye-watering, especially in the central arrondissements. London isn't far behind, with its sky-high property prices. Eating out can also put a dent in your wallet, particularly in Paris's fancier establishments. London's street food scene offers some respite. Be prepared to budget carefully in both cities. The charm comes at a price. The charm comes at a bangren anti-san tinkarakine. Section 7. The old and the new. Paris and London effortlessly blend their past and present, creating a unique tapestry of history and modernity. Paris, with its historic center, is like a museum you can live in. The cobblestone streets, the charming cafes, and the timeless architecture tell stories of centuries gone by. Yet, it embraces modernity with its sleek metro system and contemporary architecture. The district of La Défense, with its towering skyscrapers, stands as a testament to Paris's forward-thinking spirit. London, too, juxtaposes old and new. The city's skyline is a blend of historic landmarks and cutting-edge designs, reflecting its dynamic evolution. Medieval castles stand tall amidst modern skyscrapers, creating a striking contrast that is uniquely London. The Tower of London, with the Gherkin in the background, exemplifies this blend. Red phone boxes and black cabs add a touch of nostalgia to the urban landscape. These iconic symbols of London are seamlessly integrated into the city's contemporary scene. Both cities have mastered the art of balancing preservation with progress, offering the best of both worlds. Whether it's the historic charm of Paris or the vibrant energy of London, these cities continue to evolve while honoring their rich heritage. This harmonious blend makes them timeless destinations where the past and the present coexist beautifully. Section 8. Work hard, play hard, or just relax. London thrums with a frenetic energy. People rush, always on the move. The nightlife is legendary, with pubs, clubs, and theaters open late. Paris, in contrast, has a more relaxed vibe. People stroll, taking the time to enjoy life's simple pleasures. The cafe culture encourages lingering over coffee and conversation. London's for those who thrive on a fast pace. Paris, for those who prefer a slower rhythm. Which resonates with you? Section 9. Safe as houses. Both Paris and London are generally safe cities. However, like any major metropolis, they have their share of petty crime. Be mindful of your belongings, especially in crowded tourist areas. Paris has seen some high-profile incidents in recent years, which has heightened security measures. London, too, has its security challenges, particularly in the wake of terrorist attacks. Both cities take security seriously. Use common sense and stay informed, and you'll be fine. Section 10. Getting around town. Both cities boast excellent public transport. Paris's metro system is a marvel of efficiency, whisking you around the city in a jiffy. London's underground, affectionately known as the Tube, is equally extensive. The iconic red double-decker buses are a charming way to see the sights. You won't need a car in either city. Public transport is the way to go, offering both convenience and a dose of local flavor. Section 11. Vive la différence and the similarities. So, Paris or London? It's a tough choice. Paris seduces with its beauty, its romance, its joie de vivre. London captivates with its energy, its diversity, its history. Both cities offer world-class culture, cuisine, and opportunities. Ultimately, the best city for you depends on your personality and priorities. Whichever you choose, one thing's for sure: you're in for an unforgettable experience.